Welcome to my channel. Today I will model this simple part for beginners. I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Start a new part. You start a new part file. And you want to make a sketch on the front plane. I'll do this rectangle, corner rectangle. Corner rectangle. And give it a length of one side is 125 millimeters. And the thickness of this part side thickness should be 12 millimeters. That fully defines our sketch. Exit and do a mid-plane extrusion of 100 millimeters. Lovely. Now 100. Yes, that's the correct one. Before I forget, just put the fillets in there. 14 millimeters for each. 2 fillets. Done. That's our first part there created. Now from this top face, you make a sketch there. Again, corner rectangle. Just drop it somewhere. You can constrain it later. Now this midpoint with the origin relation coincident. Now let's define. Give some dimensions there. That will be 20 millimeters, and the front side will be 35 times 2, which is 70 millimeters. Right now we will extrude it to 100 millimeters, or should I say 135. Here it looks like 135, but let's see. We'll make it 135. We're going to always do the full round fillet on top there. Now go to the fillet tool, change to full round fillet. This one is just pick 3 sides and it will fillet the whole thing as a radius. Perfect. The 3 faces, get a nice fillet over there. There's the second part completed. Now go back to the front plane, make a sketch. Just put a construction line somewhere there. We'll get a dimension to constrain it. And then just do a line straight down, go sideways and close the sketch. Now let's get some dimensions going to define this now. So from this edge to the center line, that will be 25, and from there to there, that should be 30 millimeters. That's defined already. Cancel that. Over defining it now. Now we need that the bottom there. That's 40 millimeters. Now our sketch is fully defined. Now I need to close the sketch and do a revolve post base. There's your sketch right there. Just keep the sketch visible. You don't need to constrain something. Now use the hole wizard to make a hole through this part now. Now our hole dimensions, we've got a countable hole of diameter 20 millimeters through. Counterbore is 30 millimeters. And the counterbore depth is 12 millimeters. Lovely. Now position the hole. It's going to be on this face. Now I need to try and put it on that old sketch now. See, it's not showing up there. There is a way. It's still not working out. Let's see. You drop it somewhere there, and then I'm sure you can now pick. You still can't get that sketch now. Right, that and that, you can make it vertical. I think it's not straight still. Now you select that point and make those horizontal. Now our sketch is locked. The hole is locked in now. There's your hole right there. Make a sketch on this face. Now, one sketch on the front plane again. Front plane, make a sketch there. Get your construction line. It should stay in the center of that arc. Now draw a line. Give a line to line from there, straight down, go straight across, go up, and then come back and join it. Now let's define. From there to the center is 50 millimeters. From there to the same center is 30 millimeters. The total length of this post is 40 millimeters. And now we are fully defined. Close the sketch and revolve. Lovely. Now we need the same hole. So everything is already set now, just gotta position the hole. All the settings are still there. Pick the position, pick this face, hover on the edge of the circle, the center will appear, and pick the center. Your hole is straight in there. Lovely. Sketch on the front plane. Now I'm going to do the rib. Don't put it on any points there. Don't get any relations on it. This is from there to the edge there is 50 millimeters. And this is from there to the top of the line there, that's 50 millimeters. Our sketch is fully defined. Close the sketch, activate the rib tool, change the thickness of the rib to 12 millimeters, and okay, there's your rib there. We're almost there. Now get a fillet tool and put 2 fillets of 15 millimeters each. Change to 15 and bang a fillet there and bang another fillet on this side. And we are done. That's our part. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Hope you have a good day. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.